Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to review Binance Coin and its ecosystem. We are going to understand why BNB has been exploding from the last weeks and why this is important for Defi ecosystem. Also, BNB has been outperforming Bitcoin since January, and I will tell you what to look in the chart to know if BNB is a best investment in the short term and middle term than Bitcoin. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications. And join me on Twitter in Crypto CS State. And please leave me a comment on the video. Are you holding BNB? What are your thoughts on Binance? Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys. Well, Binance is right now number 4 on the ranking in CoinMarketCap of all cryptocurrencies. Early today it was in the top 3, now it's fighting the position with Ether, but I don't count Ether because it's only stablecoin. So now we have Bitcoin, Ethereum and Binance Coin in the top 3. And even if right now we are in a little of retracement, Bitcoin is at 47,000 and many coins are dropping, like Cardano for example, going to $1 after a lot of hype. Binance still is maintaining the $2020 after had been parabolic on the last month. Binance Coin from the end of January did almost 10x on the price, so congratulations to everyone that held Binance Coin before that. And one fact here is that Binance bought CoinMarketCap in the past, so everything that you see in this page is filtered by Binance company. But why Binance has been exploding in price from the last months? That's because of Binance's Smart Chain. They launched this new blockchain on September of 2020, and from the last 2-3 months has been growing exponentially. But what is this new blockchain? You need to understand one thing first. Now we have 2 blockchains for Binance. The usual that we call Binance Chain, which is a blockchain software system developed by Binance and his community. We also have this Binance DX that refers to the decentralized exchange futures developed on top of Binance Chain. And then we have Binance Smart Chain. But what is Binance Smart Chain? Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain protocol from Binance that runs in parallel with Binance Chain. Unlike Binance Chain, however, Binance Smart Chain powers smart contract functionality and boosts compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine. And this is very important. With this new blockchain, Binance has the ability to work with the smart contracts that they cannot do on his regular chain. And they also have interoperability with all the Ethereum futures because they work with the Ethereum virtual machine. So you can swap coins between ERC tokens, 20 tokens. What's more, BSB has one of the fastest blockchain transaction times and lowest fee structures, which makes building DeFi apps on the protocol so appealing for developers. Unlike many other blockchains, however, Binance Smart Chain doesn't offer a reward of minting with new BNB, but they reward for a fee for the new transaction that the validators do on the network. And currently we have more than 60 apps already operating on Binance Smart Chain, with the majority focusing on decentralized finance solutions. So the best for this new blockchain of Binance is the interoperability and the cheap transactions. Recently, Ethereum has recorded fees of over $100 for a single transaction, while Binance Smart Chain charges between 1 cent and 5 cents. So think about this. If you are about a company with a project to build a new DeFi application, we already have been seeing all the problems that we have in decentralized finance with all the exchanges, for example with Uniswap, charging a lot of fees for the swap between the different coins, and all what's happened with another DeFi companies that works over Ethereum. And this Binance is coming with this new technology from the last months and building a lot of support for new entrepreneurs that want to build DeFi applications. You probably have been hearing about Pancake Swap on the last weeks, and that's because Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange, and like Uniswap or SushiSwap that have been built over Ethereum, Pancake Swap is built on the Binance Smart Chain. This coin did almost 20x from the last of January. So if you have been bought on the 26th of January at $1, you probably have been selling in just 1 month over 20x. This is because the fees for the Pancake Swap are so cheap in comparison with another decentralized exchanges. And if we see that, for example, the top decentralized exchanges, we can see now how Pancake Swap, even if it's the last decentralized exchange, is already in the position 3. Today actually surpassed Uniswap in volume on the exchange, and we can see that Pancake Swap has almost the half of the number of pairs on the exchange and almost the half of the visits that Uniswap use, and even a lot of less coins than Uniswap, but the volume on the decentralized exchange, it was almost more today, and it's almost the same that in Uniswap. And we can see how, for example, SushiSwap is fleeing Ethereum fees, is now live on Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, and others. A lot of DeFi products are moving from Ethereum and are going into the Binance Smart Chain because of the fees. And the move is one of the first concrete examples of Uniswap clone going its own way. The centralized exchange SushiSwap is now live on Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Polygon, XDAY Chain, and Moonbeam Network, according to the project CTO, Joseph Dillon, in one of the knockoff project's most notable divergences from Uniswap to date. We also can see how, if we go into the Binance Chain community, you will see here a lot of DeFi projects moving into the Binance Smart Chain or creating a lot of new products. Almost everything is related to DeFi ecosystem. If you go into theappradar.com, you can see here the top Binance Smart Chain DeFi applications. In the first place is Pancake with 1.3 billion on the market already, and if we go to the end and see how many Dapps we have listed here, you will see that we already have 116 Dapps all running into the Binance Smart Chain. Let's see some charts of BNB. If you are in trading view, you need to put BNB against Bitcoin. And if you see this chart, we can see that from the 11th of January, BNB has been in a parabolic uptrend, outperforming Bitcoin from this point of 0.001. Now we have been doing 6x almost against Bitcoin, and now we are almost in 4x trading against Bitcoin. So that's why BNB have been outperforming Bitcoin. I recommend you to see this chart for this. In terms of Binance against US dollar, of course, we have been parabolic from $30 into 300, almost 10x. But the important thing here in this chart is that we see how Binance perform against Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is our standard right now. And if your coin is not performing better than Bitcoin, that means that why are you holding it? You just need to keep your Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin. And I think that what is happening with Binance, we can continue seeing performing Binance coin better than Bitcoin. We have been surpassed this last all-time high. This was on April 2019. I checked it there, and it was no measured circumstance why Binance had been overpassed Bitcoin at that moment, but we already have been passing that all-time high. We are seeing the chart in a global perspective. in one weekly candle, and now we are finding support on the last all-time high. So if we see this clarity, we can see how from our new all-time high we have been getting support here, and the correction that Bitcoin have also, and now we are trending exactly out on the last trending, now hitting a support. So this is a chart that I will see if Binance Coin can outperform Bitcoin on this bull run. We need to keep up or above this trend right now, and if we break this 0.004, then I think probably we'll have lose steam on this trend, and we can see some movement like this where Bitcoin outperforms Binance Coin or something like that. So until we continue staying above this line, I think Binance still have the opportunity to consolidate over here and then have another leg up, outperforming Bitcoin in all the news that we have on Binance, the lowest fees on the DeFi ecosystem, and Binance have the marketing to continue consolidate his position on the top 5 of the coins on the list. I think that's all for today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment about you are holding Binance Coin. What are your thoughts on Binance? And that's it for today. I see you in the next video.